Good night. You're still the Professor, Dr. Dolphy Gilpin. And tonight, what I'll be doing is establish a proton focus Amz 10x12 matrix and a neutron focus Amz 10x12 matrix. And then we'll add the protons and the neutrons to get the atomic mass of the element. Previously, we had just used the tables and by doubling the proton number or the atomic number and use the table of atomic weights. Now we're going to establish a proton focus, which is the atomic number, and a neutron focus, and then we'll add both of them, and then we'll get the atomic mass of the element. So let's start here. We have the proton focus. Which is atomic number focus. So here we know we have helium, hydrogen, one proton, no neutron. Actually, is 1p for proton, 0 neutron. And then we have in one of the isotope, this is called the protium, we have 1p and 1 neutron. And then in another case, we'll have 2 neutron in tritium. But let's just we're going to separate the proton Amz 10x12 and the neutron focus. So let's have more hydrogen, then we have helium, He, 2 proton, we have lithium, 3 protons, beryllium, 4 proton, 4p, boron, 5 protons, carbon, 6 protons, nitrogen, 7 protons, oxygen, 8 proton, fluorine, 9 proton, neon, 10 proton, so we have 12 columns here, so sodium, 11 proton, and magnesium, 12 proton. The Amz 10x12 matrix, proton focus, so aluminum, 13 proton, silicon, 14 proton, phosphorus, 15 proton, sulfur, 16 proton, chlorine, 17 proton, argon, 18 proton, potassium, 19 proton, and calcium, 20 proton. We're just using the letter P for proton. So 21, scandium, which is Sc, 21 proton, titanium, Ti, 22 proton, vanadium, V, 23 proton, and chromium, 24 proton. A proton focus Amz 10x12 matrix. So manganese, 25 proton, iron, 26 proton, cobalt, 27 proton, nickel, 28 proton, copper, 29 proton, and zinc, 30 proton. A proton focus Amz 10x12 matrix. So we have 31 gallium, 31 proton, germanium, 32 proton, arsenic, 33 proton, aluminum, 34 proton, bromine, 35 proton, and krypton, 36 proton. Proton focus Amz 10x12 matrix. 37, we have rubidium, Rb, 37 proton. 38, strontium, 38 proton. 39 yttrium, 39 proton, and 40 would be zirconium, 40 proton. Two other focus is really foci, but I'm establishing one big focus. Just one focus, but if you take it individually, it will be foci. Two other focus, foci. So we're 41 now. Niobium, Nb, 41 proton. And previously, a more elderly name for this element would be pelopium, which is Pe. But this is more a modern one. 42 would be molybdenum, Mo, 42 proton. 43 would be technetium, 43 proton. 44 ruthenium, Ru, 44 proton. And 45 would be rhodium, Rh, 45 proton, 46 palladium, Pd, 46 proton, 47 silver, Ag, 47 proton, and 48 cadmium, Cd, 48 proton. Proton focus Amz10x12 matrix. These one here represents rows. This is the second row, third row, fourth rows. Let's put in our matrix line here. All right, so 49 would be now indium, 49 proton, 50 tin, Sn, 50 proton, 51 antimony, Sb, 51 proton, and 52 would be tellurium, Te, 52 proton, 53 iodine, 53 proton, 54 would be xenon, 54 proton, 55 cesium, Cs, 55 proton, barium, 56 proton, 57 lanthanum, La, 57 proton, 58 serum, Ce, 58 proton, 59 praseodymium, Pr, 59 proton, and 60 Nd for neodymium, and it will be 60 proton. Okay, 6 to 1 would be now promethium, Pm, 6 to 1 proton, 62 would be samarium, Sm, 62 proton, 63 europium, Eu, 63 proton, 64 gadolium, Gd, 64 proton, 65 terbium, Tb, 65 proton, 66 dysprosium, Dy, 66 proton, 67 ulmium, Ho, 67 proton, 68 erbium, Er, 68 proton, 69 tulmium, Tn, 69 proton, 70 ytterbium, Yb, 70 proton, 71 Lu, lithium, 71 proton, and 72 hafnium, Hf, 72 proton. Alright, so we continue. 73 tantalum, Ta, 73 proton, 74 tungsten, W, 74 proton, 75 rhenium, Re, 75 proton, 76 osmium, Os, 76 proton, 77 iridium, Ir, 77 proton, 78 platinum, Pt, 78 proton, 79 gold, Au, 79 proton, and 80 mercury Hg, 80 proton, 81 thallium Tl, 81 proton, 82 lead Pb, 82 proton, 83 bismuth Bi, 83 proton, and 84 polonium Po, 84 proton. Proton focus AMZ 10 by 12 matrix. Using 10 by 12 matrix, so we have now 85 acetine AT, 85 proton, 86 radon Rn, 86 proton, 87 francium Fr, 87 proton, 88 radium Ra, 88 proton, 89 actinium Ac, 89 proton, 90 thorium Th, 90 proton, 91 protactinium Pa, 91 proton, 92 uranium U, 92 proton, 93 neptunium Np, 93 proton, 94 plutonium Pu, 94 proton, 95 americium Am, 95 proton, and 96 curium Cm, Cm, 96 proton. All right, 97 berkelium Bk, 97 proton, 98 californium Cf, 98 proton, 99 einsteinium Es, 99 proton, and 100 fermium Fm, 100 proton. (101) mendelevium Md, 101 proton, 102 nobelium No, 102 proton, 103 lawrencium Lr, 103 proton, 104 rutherfordium Rf, 104 proton, 105 dubidium Db, 105 proton, 106 seaborgium Sg, 106 proton, 107 borium Bh, 107 proton, and 108 acium Hs, 108 proton. So we have a proton focus AMZ 10 by 12 matrix, and here we go with the last row. And here we have a 109 mechnerium Mt, 109 proton, 110 donstitium Ds, 110 proton, 111 rangium Rg, 111 proton, 112 copernicium Cn, 112 proton, 113 nihorium Nh, 113 proton, 114 favorium Fl, 114 proton, 115 moscovium Mc, 115 proton, 116. Livermorium LV, 116 proton, 117. Tennessine TS, 118 organism OG, 118 proton, 119 onium, 119 proton, and 120 by million, 120 proton. So I've completed a mating 10 by 12 matrix, proton focus. This is just one big focus, but individually we have foci, elemental foci. So we have 120 proton, 118 is the last one discovered amount of proton here. Let's just complete our line here for matrix line. And here we'll take a break and next establish our neutron focus Amz 10 by 12 matrix.